Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the brand new 2020 Chevy Equinox LT. All Apple Chevy customers will receive over $1,900 in savings on this specific vehicle. It is an all-wheel drive Equinox that comes with a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder turbo engine. It does have back tinted windows and 18-inch aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have the jet black with a tan lining cloth seating throughout the entire vehicle. We do have a sunroof that extends all the way to the back. When it comes to the front of the vehicle, we do have our buttons up there for towing and all-wheel drive. We have our heated seating, our brand new Chevy MyLink radio, our lane keep assist, front collision alert in the middle, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.